Our planet still hides astonishing secrets in its most extreme corners. Entire ecosystems thrive in places we once thought uninhabitable, sealed caves, toxic lakes, and beneath Antarctic ice. These hidden worlds operate by rules alien to our sunlit surface, powered by chemistry, not sunlight. Scientists are only now uncovering life forms that challenge everything we know about biology. Join me, Steve, as we explore 10 of the most astonishing hidden ecosystems recently discovered. Prepare to see our world in a way you never imagined. Deep in Romania, Movil Cave has been sealed from the outside world for over 5 million years. Its air is toxic, rich in hydrogen sulfide and low in oxygen, yet life flourishes here. Without sunlight, the ecosystem relies on chemosynthetic bacteria that harvest energy from sulfurous water. These microbes form the base of a unique food web supporting blind spiders, ghostly woodlice, and other creatures found nowhere else. All have lost pigment and eyes, useless in perpetual darkness. Over 50 species have evolved in total isolation, perfectly adapted to this alien world. Movil Cave is a living snapshot of early Earth, powered by chemical reactions instead of sunlight. Its evolution in its purest, most isolated form. Far below the ocean surface, deep-sea brine pools form underwater lakes so salty they don't mix with the surrounding sea. These jacuzzis of despair are deadly. Any creature that enters is instantly preserved by the salt. Yet extremophiles thrive here, feeding on methane that seeps from the sea floor. Chemosynthetic bacteria form the base of the food web, supporting mussels that host these microbes in their gills. This partnership allows life to flourish at the very edge of death. Around these toxic lakes, a living wreath of organisms survives where almost nothing else can. It's a stark reminder of life's adaptability. Even in the most lethal places, unique ecosystems emerge. Beneath Antarctica's vast ice sheets lies a hidden network of subglacial lakes sealed off for millions of years. Lake Vostok, buried under 4 kilometers of ice, is one of the largest and most mysterious. Scientists once doubted life could exist here. Total darkness, crushing pressure, and freezing temperatures. But when samples were finally retrieved, they revealed thriving microbial communities. These microbes survive by metabolizing minerals from the bedrock, not sunlight. It's a slow-motion ecosystem, resilient and patient, persisting in isolation for eons. Even at the bottom of the world, life endures. In the mid-Atlantic, the Lost City hydrothermal field rises from the sea floor, a forest of towering, ghostly white chimneys. Unlike volcanic black smokers, these alkaline vents are powered by chemical reactions between seawater and mantle rock. The result: warm, mineral-rich fluids that support thick biofilms of ancient methanogenic microbes. These organisms may resemble the earliest life on Earth, thriving on methane and hydrogen. The Lost City's unique chemistry could mirror the conditions where life first began. Here, organic molecules form naturally, hinting at our own origins. It's a living window into Earth's distant past. In Mexico's Cueva de Villaluz, shafts of light reveal a toxic world filled with hydrogen sulfide and sulfuric acid. Acid drips from the ceiling, sculpting bizarre formations and burning through equipment. Yet colossal colonies of sulfur-oxidizing bacteria thrive, forming milky rivers and gelatinous snot-tites on the walls. These bacteria are the foundation of the ecosystem, supporting midges, spiders, and a unique fish called the molly. The molly has evolved to breathe through its skin in oxygen-poor, poisonous water. Despite the hellish conditions, life flourishes in astonishing forms. Cueva de Villaluz is a living laboratory of adaptation. Even acid and poison can't stop evolution. In Ethiopia's Danakil Depression, the Dalal hydrothermal field dazzles with psychedelic colors. Sulfur, iron, and copper painting the landscape. Superheated, acidic, and hypersaline pools were long thought to be completely sterile. But recent discoveries have found ultra-small, salt-encased archaea clinging to life in mineral deposits. These polyextremophiles survive at the very edge of what's biochemically possible. Dalal challenges our understanding of life's limits. It's a frontier that redefines where life can exist, on Earth and beyond. Even in a place that looks alien, life finds a way. On the deep sea floor, methane seeps bubble up, creating oases of life in the darkness. Chemosynthetic bacteria form vast mats feeding on methane and hydrogen sulfide. These mats support snails and crabs, shrimp and the iconic tube worms, creatures with no mouth or gut, relying entirely on symbiotic bacteria inside their bodies. Tube worms absorb chemicals from the water and feed their bacterial partners, who in turn nourish the worms. These thriving communities are completely independent of sunlight. Powered by the Earth's own chemistry, they form lush undersea gardens. Life here is built on partnership and adaptation. The deep sea is alive with hidden wonders. In Chile's Atacama Desert, the world's driest place, life clings to existence thanks to fog rolling in from the Pacific. This fog condenses on mountain slopes, creating green oases called lomas. Hardy plants capture water from the air, supporting insects, lizards, and even small mammals. Beneath rocks and within salt crystals, microbes survive, photosynthesizing during brief periods of moisture. These hidden communities live in suspended animation, waiting for the fog. The Atacama's fog oases are delicate, almost invisible worlds. Even in the harshest deserts, life persists. High in the rainforest canopy, soil accumulates in the crooks of ancient branches, forming islands of life far above the ground. Epiphytes like orchids and bromeliads trap and nourish this canopy soil. It teems with earthworms, mites, fungi and bacteria, many never touching the ground. These suspended ecosystems are hotspots of biodiversity and nutrient cycling. Some trees even grow roots into their own canopy soil, recycling nutrients. The rainforest is a multi-layered city with entire worlds thriving in the sky. Life finds new heights in the treetops. In Tabasco's sulfur caves, snot-tight, slimy, acid-dripping bacterial colonies dominate the ceilings. These extremophiles create energy from sulfurous chemicals, shaping the cave's geology. The acid they produce dissolves limestone, while midges and insects feed on the bacteria. Predatory spiders and acid-loving fish complete the food web. This ecosystem, built on slime and acid, is a testament to life's resilience. Even in suffocating darkness, intricate communities arise. Life's creativity knows no bounds, even in the most hellish places. From Romanian caves to Ethiopian acid pools, we've glimpsed worlds powered by chemistry, not sunlight. These hidden ecosystems force us to rethink the limits of life. They hold clues to our origins and hint at what we might find on other planets. Life is not fragile, it's tenacious and endlessly inventive. Which of these worlds surprised you most? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe for more journeys into Earth's hidden realms.